Alright guys, so I got a Land Rover. They came from well, I guess I was at a body shop and the customer brought it. But they were having some sort of body work done last week. And they said that the body shop did whatever they did and got done. And went to start the vehicle and they put it in gear and then it died and it died and it died. And then it wouldn't do anything. So guess we're gonna see. So that's already not a good sign. Key fob battery dead, maybe? Okay, well that's on. Let's go ahead and open the hood. Use the jump box, see what the battery voltage is. Oh, come on. Stay. 11.7, that's it's not great, but it's enough to at least try to start, and it's a diesel, so let's see. It looks like just like a bunch of voltage related kind of codes. Huh. Internal control module software incompatibility and the body control module. I mean, I've seen that before for like battery voltage related things. Crash input and the telematic module, battery voltage in the transfer case. Let's just clear everything. Mega screen. Alright, so let's try to start this thing and see what the heck happens. Oh wow, nothing? Weird. Uh-oh. High-speed CAN bus codes and internal control module software incompatibility. Okay, so they probably did something to it. It'd be nice if I knew what they were doing. Okay. Well, it's not like it's going to be easy to get to. Let's see here. Crap. Well, not going to get to it like that. Oh great, so I can open the lower, or the upper. There we go. Huh. It's weird, most customers don't have a stream light in their box. I wonder if that's from my tech. Things used. Okay, let's just take everything out of here. Ah, crap. Come on, you. definitely been here. So what did they do? Sorry I keep bumping you guys, but I'm just trying to check and see if there's a missing fuse or something. I'll get a test light, just be lazy at first, and just see if I can see if I can just run fuses and just check. So, should be good. Do I have a good ground? Yes. Okay. Well, yeah, whoever came up with these goofy J-case fuses. Check fuses with a test light, and now you can't. Okay. So that box. I believe this is just the PCM back here, probably. There's another fuse box. Looks like somebody's already been here too. So 11.7. That J-case looks good. 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 I have no idea what that is and can't tell. It's ABS. There. Are good connection. Man, I'm not lucky on this. No. Alright, well, as far as I know, there's only one fuse box left. Just going to check the battery while I'm here, since they supposedly replaced it. Oh boy. Well, time to lift with my back. Oh crap. Oh, come on. Whoever put that. It's 'cause it's not full size. Right. Well, this sucks. What are you, random screw? You look broken. Ish. Oh, I got a bald spare. Oh, God. Cool. Okay. Yeah, that's where you want that. And that. And that. Whatever that is. Sticky. Tight. They get the... I can't remember what you are. I can't remember if it's normal to have you unplugged. I don't think it is. I wouldn't think so. So I can go get a 10 and just take this up since it's all blown apart anyway. I really can't remember what for the life of me what you are. I've done enough of these, I should know. This is stupid. Fuses while I'm here. Come on. Okay. Ah, boy. Owie. Okay. So right back to the battery again. Ground strap's good enough. Good. Okay, so all those are good. I gotta climb up in here, huh? That one, good. Looks like those are okay. Little spares. Oh boy. It's looking less and less. There, well, I guess more and more like they blew something up. I think we get something to take this up and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so that wire is just the what would be like the transport relay, I guess, where crash input. Oh, good grief. What am I trying to say here? Where it would keep the battery from going dead, like in shipping. So that's not a problem. The real question is, what is the RFA module? And oh my. I get any data out of you. Let's see. That says yes. Keep saying yes. Okay, so what did they do? I need to go find out what they did. See if all the crank determination factors are there. Yes. Challenge query transmitted. Challenge query received. Neutral, yes. Passive key challenge, no. Let's see if it... Passive key received, yes. Passive key challenge status, no. Neutral, yes. Identification verify, no. Steering column lock complete, no. Crank determination factor, yes. So steering column lock, no. Passive key challenge status, no. Crank request, no. No. Communication media control module. Identifier stored. Target verify, no. Challenge response, challenge query. So it sees the brake, but it's like half the stuff it needs to start's not there. Or it acts like it's not there. See, start authorizations. So digital, I'm assuming this is still going to say no on the digital output. And it still says off. Electronic steering column lock. Target identification false. So it stored it, but it says it's false. What the heck? True, true, stored, true, true, enabled. Stored, true, 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 true. Let's Steering column lock, target identifier false. Steering column lock, target identifier okay. Steering column lock, target identifier false. Okay, so I think we got some kind of problem with that electronic steering lock. Let me try to go get some more information about what they did or didn't do to this thing, because that's... yeah. I mean, that's got to be our problem, right? Or at least a problem. Electronic steering column lock, target identification valid, transponder false. Okay. I'm gonna see if they know anything. Okay. So guys, I got a little more info. The guy said that the body shop replaced the thing above the rear bumper, which the only thing above the rear bumper is the entire rear tailgate. And they've definitely been in it, and it's definitely been in some sort of wreck in the rear. All of this is loose. The freaking trailer plugs all shoved up behind here. All these connectors are pulled loose. Looks like somebody tried to make some kind of a repair here. Is that a smashed wire or something? So now the question is, because this is the only thing that they did, and now I have a can higher, and it, ow, and it won't start. This is all broken and hanging. It's good. It's good work. It's definitely good work, for sure. So I have no idea what half of this just goes to off the top of my head, or if this is even really the problem. I don't see what any of this would have to do with the steering lock. The steering lock's also not in the anti-theft or startability diagrams, so that's also an issue. Oh, that's not even attached either. Yeah, it looks like they just sort of patched that together. Oh. Well, I have no idea where you guys are looking. Okay. Back up top. So, I mean, unless they just shorted the whole bus or something, but this is already unplugged. Looks like they broke one of the keyless entry antennas. Okay. Let's see what all they did in here. I mean, it looks just like a whole used tailgate or something. Well, they, I guess they neglected to check and see what they actually did at the body shop. I asked them about it, and they called the customer back and said that they replaced the thing above the rear bumper, which would be this entire lower tailgate. Now, I don't know what in here could, you know, cause that, like right offhand. I mean, there's nothing, shouldn't be anything anti-theft related, but they did leave all that undone. It looks like they broke the lip off the one of the keyless transmitters. Oh yeah. Now that might cause some problems. If it can start, it's not going to make it stall out. And really the only thing they would have had to have undone would have been these two and these two, and then take, you know, these loose. So unless there's a...
Is there a big draw on it?
Huh?
Is there a big draw on it?
Oh, it's got like high speed and medium speed CAN bus errors, and the body control module, and a lot of stuff is setting software versus hardware incorrect kind of codes.
Yeah.
So, and it's showing that there's like some kind of an error, and of course, you know, they've been in here too, so they've had all this undone. So I need to go and see if they've like actually unplugged something important and left it unplugged. Because there are some things back here that are like main junction connectors that run all the way from the rear box to the front.
Cause a major communication issue.
Yeah, because there's nothing like right now. There's no blown fuses, but doesn't mean power's not, you know, making it to something.
Right.
What are you?
What are you?
That's in. The heck are you, and where do you go? I don't know, and I don't know. Great. I love not knowing what things are. And this is just such a hack job. I mean, alright, come on, seriously? Oh, like none of this is clipped back in. They just popped all the zip ties. It's just got a block off plug in it. Nothing wrong there. Still nothing, huh? What all did I set by doing all that? I wonder if I wouldn't think the crash input stuff would set medium speed, high speed, internal software, incompatibility, crash and telematics. Let me bring you guys back out to do a little bit of research, because this is kind of weird. Okay guys, well it obviously runs, but I will show you what I did. So I'm tapped into the medium speed bus at the DLC on pins 3 and 11. So I didn't really feel like having to deal with this thing out in the parking lot, so I pushed it in, and then camera battery died and all the fun stuff. But I will show you what I did here. If you look at here, I'm on the medium speed CAN high and low for the body, MS CAN L and H body. And so what I did was I just traced all the wires out until I got to the main section where all of the medium speed CAN body modules are. So I started with the lower tailgate control module, the keyless vehicle module, just kind of anything in that back area that would have had anything to do with where the body shop was or a possible crash in the rear. And then I got all the way to the upper tailgate control module, which is in the center of the it says center of tailgate, but it's it's actually the hatch, not the tailgate. So it is that module there. And what I found was if I unplug the downstream side, then I get a good bus signal and the car will start and everything else seems okay except for that. But when I plug this module in, if you take a look, you see how it sort of pulls the bus down and all of the messages become just sort of smashed together like this, and it can't really talk through that. And now if I shut this thing off It shouldn't restart. Hopefully my laptop doesn't die. Yep, see, no start. And it's just a garbled mess. I reach up and unplug that module. My bus comes back. And the vehicle starts. So, what does that, or where does that leave us? A couple things. I've got to figure out where on this upper tailgate module, because it is only the upper tailgate module. It's spliced off the main trunk, so it's something to do with this pulling the bus down, but if I take this away, it's fine. So it's something after or inside the module itself. More than likely, it's just the module itself. So yeah, I'm going to try to find some diagrams for that and get some more time approved on this thing and see if we can't figure out what the deal with that is.